In this tutorial we will look at how to generate a domain license using a dynamic serial key. We use the Generate Domain License screen to select between a tracked license, which is stored on our database, and non-tracked license, which we can generate without storing. If we are tracking the license, we need to create a client in an order, then select them as shown. After entering the domain, we can generate a license as shown. If we don't want to store the license, we can use the other untracked license generation mode for this purpose. Simply select the script name and enter the domain. Generate a serial key for the desired script, then copy it to our license generation screen. Click on the Generate License button to complete the request. The license will be saved to the location defined. The first license we generated using the tracked option should be stored under the View Domains screen.